Hey everybody, it's Paul with CDA Software. We're going to go ahead and get started on our final video for commissions, and this video is going to be for our mobile technicians. So let's go ahead and get started. So before we get started looking at the mobile devices, what I want to do is just set the foundation for the data that we see on the desktop will reflect that same data we should see from a mobile technician's device. So let's go ahead. We're all familiar with this. We're just going to go to reports. We're going to go to invoice reports, and then we're going to say employee commissions reports. So we're just going to click on that. So here we are, we're in the employee commissions report. That is dashboard, which is for the desktop, and here's our demo tech. And what we're going to do is we're just going to say, I want to see what the commissions look like for this tech for the month of March. I want to sort it by commission date. And what I want to do is I want to include jobs with 0 commissions. So I just want to pause for a moment. So the report that your technicians, or the reports for commissions that are ran on the mobile device, they will always have this checkbox included. The techs don't see it on their mobile device, but it is selected for them, which says include jobs with 0 commissions. So those will be listed as well. So alrighty, so here we are, our report ran, and it looks like we would expect just a normal commission report. I just want to point out a few elements within this report that are going to be relative to what your technicians see on their mobile device. So the first thing I want to point out is there's 39 records. We have a total compensation of $262.56. We also have, if I scroll down, we have an item that has a note added. And then if you look, we do have, indeed, we come over here, we have commissions that have 0 amounts. So we just want to point that out. So all this looks normal, looks legit. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slide over 2 phones. So here we have an Android phone, and over here we have an iPhone. So both of these are on the network. Both of these are going to be live demos. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to pull a report on an Android device. So what I'm going to do is right over here where these dots are, I'm just going to click on that. And then I'm going to come right down to here where it says settings. And then what I'm going to do, it just says commission report. So I'm just going to click right there. And then the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to mirror the dates we have here to the dates we have here. So I'm just going to change this to the 1st of the month. And so there we have the 1st to the today's date, and all I'm going to do is go ahead and click on Generate Report. Again, this is happening in real time, and there's our report, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you there's our date range, there's our tech. You'll see we have claim numbers, we have names, but first and foremost is we have the 1st, so we captured the 1st. We're going to scroll, we came all the way down to the 19th, we have 39 items. Over here we have 39 items. There's our total, so we should just scroll over, make sure our totals match, and sure enough our totals match as well. So you can see everything that happens on the desktop mirrors on the mobile device. And then last but not least, what I want to show you, this is just built into the OS. You just click on these dots right here, and then you can go ahead and send that file anywhere you want to from a technician's perspective. So now let's go ahead and jump on over to the iPhone, and now what we're going to do is we're just going to click on this gear icon. Again, we're going to click on commissions, and once again we're just going to change the date to the 1st. And then we're going to click on Generate Report. And this is going to generate the report in real time, just like we did on Android. And we're just going to look, and we should see the same data. So we come, we have the 1st, we have the 19th, we have 39 records, just like we show down here on the desktop. And we hover over here, we have our total, so those totals match. And we do show 0 commissions, just like it points out here. And then last but not least, if we click on this button right here, we can then share this or export it as we see fit on the device that we're on with the operating system. So that will complete today's video.